Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Quran at home step by step. First, establish a sincere intention and commit to a consistent daily schedule. Next, seek out a reputable online platform or a skilled virtual instructor to guide you. Start by mastering the Arabic alphabet and the fundamental rules of pronunciation, known as tajweed, to build a strong foundation for your studies. Once you have the basics, dedicate time to tajweed, the art of Quranic recitation. Concentrate on the precise articulation points for each Arabic letter, ensuring clarity. Practice the rules of noon sakina and tanween, which govern specific letter combinations. Understand the mad letters and their correct elongation, crucial for beautiful and accurate recitation. For memorization, begin with the shorter surahs or chapters and gradually advance to longer ones as your confidence grows. Listen to clear recitations of the verses repeatedly. This auditory input significantly aids retention. Integrate your newly memorized verses into your daily prayers, reinforcing your learning and making it a part of your spiritual routine. Consistency is key to long-term success in learning the Quran. Maintain a regular daily practice schedule, even if it's for a short duration, to ensure steady progress. Make sure to regularly review all previously memorized portions to solidify your retention. Finally, actively seek feedback from your teacher to continuously refine your recitation and understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.